Today, we're going to explore 3 industries most likely to make you a billionaire. So sit back, relax, and hit that like button. Continue watching until the end of the video because I will share a secret tip with you the rich do not want you to know about. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, just a guide to how I manage my finances and invest my time and money. What industry do you currently work in? Comment your answer below. As we all know, the current educational system is flawed in so many ways. Just look at these 2 photographs. Both were taken roughly 100 years apart. There has been little to no implementation of current technology in the modern day classroom. Some students may have access to laptops and desktop computers, but the method of teaching is simply outdated. This industry requires an innovator. Someone to disrupt the current system and revolutionize how we can effectively educate the next generation. $706 billion is spent per year on just the American educational system alone. Yet schools fail students frequently. You can be entitled to this quantity of wealth by disrupting this sector. Perhaps using artificial intelligence to create tailored lectures for individual students, to better help them understand more difficult topics. This is especially evident now as students are being educated off-site by teachers who are struggling to use the current infrastructure available to them. Industry 2. Food production. The world's population is predicted to reach 8.5 billion people by 2030 and nearly 10 billion people by 2050. These people are going to require sustenance and nutrition on a much larger scale. You can disrupt this industry by implementing new and improved agricultural methods. As the population begins to transition to a more health-conscious diet, an increased number of vegetables are to be consumed. The farming infrastructure of today still struggles to feed the world's current population. One method of negating this issue could be implementing vertical farms in major cities that produce far more than the traditional system. Pre-existing examples of this include Aero Farms, Gotham Greens, and Crop One. Industry 3. Aerospace. On the 29th of April 2020, asteroid 52768 1998 OR2 flew by just 36 million kilometers away from Earth. Imagine if you could have captured this asteroid and mined it for resources, such as precious metals and raw materials. Starting an aerospace company is a monumental undertaking, but thanks to the groundwork laid by Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos and Sir Richard Branson, space will become easily accessible to everyone. This is apparent due to Bob and Doug's excellent adventure to the International Space Station, using SpaceX launch and transport facilities. This industry is yours for the taking. Asteroid mining, space transport for humans and cargo, harnessing the sun's energy and traveling the universe. Recap. Disrupting the educational system by implementing new and improved methods of teaching, AI lectures and assistive learning. Disrupting the food and agricultural industries by implementing vertical farming in major cities. Starting an aerospace company and building the infrastructure for mankind's next chapter, the dawn of commercial spaceflight. Secret tip. If you've been watching this video up until this point, it's time for your secret tip the rich do not want you to know about. Use this time to execute any ideas you have. The quarantine has acted as a global pause button, so use this time to build a business. Remember to leverage the internet in doing so because you can scale your business rapidly. Now you know, ladies and gentlemen, the 3 industries most likely to make you a billionaire. One day after disrupting these industries, you can witness firsthand how true wealth is built. If you learned something today, then I would kindly ask you to hit that like button if you haven't already, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you are notified about all my new videos. If you want 2 free stocks worth up to £100 to £200, there is a link in the video description. Be sure to check out these videos on screen now, as I know you will enjoy them. Also, don't miss out on all the fun things happening on my Twitter and Reddit. Cheers guys, and I'll be seeing you next time.